Well, here's a simple Python code, and when you find the correct output of this code, you can pause the video to think for a moment. So the correct output of this code is not an error, but it actually false. Well, if you didn't understand this code, let me explain. So this is the code, and here the confusing part is this tuple. So first of all, t is equal to a comma 2. Here a is not created, but it's actually referenced like this, and it's stored like this. So when we are appending 3 here, we are not making changes in a tuple because it's immutable, but instead we make changes here. So the new list became 1 comma 3, and this got updated here. Now we have b equal to 1 comma 3, and b of 0 is equal to 1, and here t of 0 is not 1 because we have appended 3. It's actually 1 comma 3, and as you can see, these two are not same, therefore we got false, and this was the output.